Coco. Hello, Lala, Coco. Now, Coco has a friend, little flamingo. Flamingo. And she's squeezy little flamingo, her friend. Now, today, I went to Flying Tiger, Copenhagen. And in Flying Tiger, Copenhagen, we find a sausage dog jigsaw. Look, like you, Coco. It's going to be alphabet. And it's in the shape of a sausage dog. Cute. And then, that was £6. Then we found chocolate. Look, chocolate. Not for you, for me. Hot dog chocolate. Look, kitty. And then we found, look, a big flamingo. Wait, let's squeeze it. And Coco likes a big flamingo. And this had 30% off. So